Milip-milip. What's up guys? 127.
Parang Jones 1. Kwento mo naman sa akin kung taga saan ka. Sige ba? Basta makinig ka. Eto na. Sige na. Jeez!
What's up guys? Your boy is back. Classic and relax. Left for another video. So ngayon ay andito ako ngayon sa pinatrabahoan ko. At ang gagawin namin, kasi wala pa kami masyadong transaction, is mag-road trip kami from Kahidjokan to Magdiwang. Yes. So kita-gets na maya. Bye. So andito na kami ngayon sa H100. Ayan, I'm with the guys.
Hi guys.
So nagsiksikan kami dito sa van. Ay, shoutout nga pala sa GoPro ni Ate. Basta. Ate Tin tsaka ni Ate Fritz. So, ayun guys, nag-aircon kami dito.
Pero pina-close po.
Ang gulo. So,
oy, candy kayo dyan. Kanina pa ako nagbibigay.
pupunta na tayo sa...
Ay, gag.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Sa
Kahidjokan. So, ayun guys.
Guys,
Ganito po talaga kami dito ng mga kasama ko sa trabaho. Talagang masasaya lang kami. Good vibes lang.
yes.
At wala lang, happy lang, di ba?
Yes.
At ito yung pinakamasaya guys. Yung gumagala ka na, nagsisweldo ka pa.
Yes.
So, kung gusto nyo mag-apply, apply now. So, ayan.
Wala na rin namang school.
Kita-kits na lang tayo sa Kahidjokan tsaka sa Magdiwang. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Siguro sa next content na lang mapipicture yung boss namin.
Uy,
Kasi
umusod
nahiya
ka.
pa sila.
6'6"
Bye-bye.
Ingat sa amin.
Yeah.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you.
What's up guys? So ayun, yo, what's up? So andito kami ngayon sa nag-stop over tayo sa Kahidjokan. At syempre mamamasyal tayo kasi nga meron silang pailaw dito. So ayun, yo, what's up?
Wheels in your hands, I guess we need a new plan. There's a motel a mile down the road. Finally can stand, acting still looking for dry land. Jump on my back, I'll take you home.
Yo, what's up guys? So, nandito kami ngayon bandang Kahidjokan. Nag-stop over kasi nag-merienda. Yo, what's up? Ay guys, may share gala ako sa Indo.
Okay. Kuya, nagpaligo.
Nagpaligo ako?
Kuya.
I go rap. Paki-shout. Nay, nagpaligo po ako ate. Inay! Yeah. See you sa mag-D1. Maglago-lago.
Few inches later.
Tara gala tayo. Joke lang. Eh, si Michael yun. Oh.
Hello! Hello!
Oh, sorry. Ang pogi ka, di ba?
Hello mga ka-vloggers! Ito po kami ngayon. Joke lang.
Vlogging is my pushing. Vlogging is my hobby. Mga mythic sila, mga mythic mag-drive. Yung vaccine is my hobby. Hi, we are the group 2. We are here to report.
Hello kabugto! Mga shoutout nga pa sa mga taga-Sagra.
Hi ka muna, kuya.
Hi po.
Hi lang. Ano masasabi mo sa...
Ngayon po, masasabi ko lang po ay pangit ng kalsada ngayon eh. Maingay.
Init po eh.
Init eh.
Hi ka muna sa vlog ko, kuya.
Ay sa vlog mo.
You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Push it to the side, even if it means I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you.
So ayun, maglilibot-libot ako kasi ayaw na rin napapagod na sila. Kasi na lang yung kasama ko mamaya, yun na lang yung maglilibot. Kaya, arit na!
Hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Love you. Always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Love you. Hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die.
Okay, so yun guys, dahil maliligo kami Rances mamaya, wala akong dalang short kasi hindi ako na-inform. Maghanap muna kami ng shorts. So dito tayo ngayon sa market out. So yun. Ayan. Actually, ang ganda dito ng kanilang naindaning ano na. Naindaning pinaka-market. Super organized talaga siya. Wala na mga kanya. Agoy. So ayun guys, makabili kami ng tatagiti lang siya dito sa ang ganda, in fairness, kahit napapaano is may murang short. Kasi nga hindi ako nakadala ng short. Hindi ko Rances tapos nakapantarang dito. Ito na. Yan na? Yan na.
Ano na gawin sila dito? Napadali kita?
Meron na lang galing kanya. So, we're heading back to... Asan na yung van? Yung Christmas tree. So yun, nakabili bibili kami ng... Ay guys, sa mga gusto nga pala mag-sponsor dyan, baka naman I need sponsors for this vlog. Ay hindi, ay sponsored nga pala ito ng Master Babaw. Shout out sa Master Babaw.
Shout out to Master Bob.
One eternity later.
Ayun. Hinahanap namin yung van namin. Hindi namin makita. Wala lang kami sa pauwi. Pero andito lang pala sila. What's up guys? Touchdown kami dito sa Rances 7. May mga energy pa kayo? Rances 7, nakailang vlog na ako sa inyo ah. Baka naman, overnight package lang. Hi Ante!
Hi!
Kasama ko nga pala yung si Auntie Bean, yung boss namin. Tsaka yung si ate pa. Hi! Din kita te? Rances 7, baka naman. Diba? Diba? Gamba. So, today, ay, time check. 2:30 na kami nakarating dito sa Rances. At 2:30 din pa lang kami kakain. Sure. Yo, what's up? Good. Tapos din nila sa kabila. Tapos andin din sila. Sina ate. Sure. Hi. So, ayun. Kakain muna kami at maligo. Babaw na. What's up guys? Rances 7. Oh, hi guys! Hi! Woo! Hi! Hi! Hi guys! What's up? Andito ako ngayon sa Rances 7. And guess what? My boss lent me GoPro. So kung nakikita nyo naman yung background ko, 360 angle talaga siya. Diba? Napakapait ng boss ko guys. Pinapagamit niya ako ng mga kagamitan na hindi ko pa natatry. Diba? So ayan. Hi ka muna sa vlog.
You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it. Wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it. Wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you.
So that's it guys. Yan.
Ano?
No, ako magambay. So that's it guys for our first episode of Vlogmas. Merry Christmas sa lahat dyan. At maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa inyo. Yeah. At that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next episode of Vlogmas. Bye-bye.